On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on? Bitcoin dumping. Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows except for probably Army Piper. What's going on? Happy Monday, everybody. God bless you. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful morning. We're dumping. Let's jump into the chart. Bitcoin flying down. Here we go. What's going on, everybody? Sweeping the low, bouncing. Sweeping the low. Do we get long here? I don't know. No, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking the long. It don't look good for anything right now. NASDAQ consolidation continuation down. Yeah. It's nasty. It's right nasty. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, Ashunts. How you doing? Good to see you. George, Marine Mike, my man. Monday win. NVIDIA, new chip for what? Windows. Big move. Wild. Doesn't stop, does it? Marius, Alexander G, good to see you. Army Piper, like number 2. I appreciate that. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Marius, 71 or back to 74 for this week? Oh, it's a good question. Let's see if we can get here first. Good morning. Let's have a good week. Start out strong. Absolutely, Norm. Thank you for being here, man. Good to see you. Crypto Hefe, my man. Good morning. Charles, good morning. Decent Crypto, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing? DB, how you doing? Damn, I wish I held that short, man. Oh, where was the short? The short was given. Yeah, it was given right here. So this was the short over the weekend. It was a long wait, guys. Yeah, it was a long wait. Great trade. Long wait. I think Django's still in it. So retest the previous lows now. Awesome. What's going on, DB? Good to see you, DB. How you doing, bro? Master. There's your slurp, Curtis Hill, my man. Dependable. Good to see you. Wemba, good to see you. You must be happy, Wemba fan. Matt, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Proof of work, good morning. Good to see you. How you doing, bro? Bitcoin rolling over here. Hell yeah. Let's go. Guten Morgen, gang, gang, gang. What's going on? Good to see you, Jojo. Mojo, Jojo. And Django's still in the short. There's Django. Good afternoon, Berlin gang. Let's go, Berlin gang. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Lower. Lower, man. Rolling over here. Bitcoin got no legs. Oof. What a short. I mean, the turbulence, though, man. You didn't get paid until this morning. We gave that all the way in Saturday. I gotta stop drawing these boxes. I think we'd pump if I stopped drawing the boxes, right? I think Dusty's onto something. This is nasty, though. This is breaking down. No trade right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades. That's how we roll. I think they count 46,000. Yeah. Yeah, down 4,500 last week. That's fine. Live and learn. Down 4.5. Can't win them all. One red week doesn't mean all red weeks. Happy days. Showing the trades, taking the trades, man. That's where we're at. Damn, Daniel, this is ugly. Otter gang, let's go. Let's go, gang. There's some translation thing going on here for my, what's this? Translation thing going on. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. It's not so beautiful here out in Canada. It's wet. It's very wet. It's like we're getting like 30 mils of rain or something crazy like that. It's raining cats and dogs. That's why we got cats and dogs in the forecast. And it's raining on Bitcoin too. Raining. Yeah, I might be buying some more Solana today if we get down to 78. Woohoo! Let's go. Dump it, baby. NASDAQ dumping. All right. Good start to the morning, guys. Holy smokes. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I gotta congratulate you. Good to see you, Shrian. How you doing? Crypto Jim, Mr. Hung. How you doing, guys? Good to see you guys. My mates, MM Miller, Terry, Curtis Hill, Curbstar. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Good morning, guys. Good to see you, Terry. Miller, Mind Mates, Laurent, good morning. Good to see you, Bearded Mac. How you guys doing? Hopefully you're all short. Buck, Hoto, Philly Skills, Rebellious, Paul Hindenburg, G1. Good morning, guys. Andy. How you doing, Andy? Good to see you, man. Always present in the Discord. Good to see you, Vinny, as well. Patillion, good morning, gang. Good to see you. On Monday, we are patient. On Monday, that's it. I mean, how do you want to start your week? I've had 2 red Mondays in a row, and they've led to me. You know, I mean, last week I had a red Monday. I'm down 4,500 last week. The week before I had a red Monday and I was up 20,000. Right, so doesn't mean if you start off on a bad foot doesn't mean that your whole week's ruined. But it does help in my mind, like, to let it bake a little bit with the patience and stuff. Retest to previous highs here on NASDAQ. It does help me some sort of psychological wise with you know just your whole outlook upon the week, right? You always want to have a good start. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna be, but if you can, it does help. Damn. Here we go. Down we go, baby. Next level. Nice dump, man. This is awesome. Rip it off. Like, rip that Band-Aid off. Good to see you save Republicans. Consequences. Good morning, Wayne C. Chantel, good morning. Rob. Becker, good to see you guys. Mama Bull, what's going on? Good to see you from London. Is it still 55 degrees? I'm kidding. It's like 35 in London. It's bloody hot, mate. It's bloody hot, Mama Bull. Koopa Loop. Pet, good to see you. Rich, how you doing? Cut prediction. Canes in 6. Canes in 6 is the cup prediction. Canes in 6. Is that okay? Anybody else? Good breakdown here, guys. You guys all short? 222s? Yeah, let's go. I missed the short. Give me that pink box. That's what I'm saying, man. Michael Saylor reports selling 32 Bitcoin last week. We'll never sell. Yeah, you're fucking right. Oh, man. A good pirate also sails the Red Sea. Django, you're too much. I love you, bro. Starting off with that short. Aaron, good to see you. Vinro. Pet. Hell yeah, let's go. GG's, guys, on the shorts. GG's? Everybody GG's for the shorts in here. GG's in the chat. Wemby on game 7. I mean, his backcourt played well, man. They smacked some nice threes at the end of the game there. Hello from Poland. Hey. Poland. What do I got? I only got swear words for Poland. Kurwa. That's all I got, man. That's it, man. That's the only thing. That's the only thing the Polish people do a lot of tiles in Canada. In my trades experience, it's either drywall, plaster, or tiles. Very good tile workers in the trades. And all they would teach me is kurwa. That's it. I guess I'm going to get flagged here on the flagged on the YouTube. And they taught me a bit of Croatian. Czechai, I think that's hammer. Czechai. Oh, man. Kurwa mech. Yeah, see? There we go. Good morning. What's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Good morning, Otter gang. We are rolling over here, guys. Yee-oo. Down we go. No trades right now. Still waiting. This is not looking so good. I gave the short here on the Discord. I mean, I exited, guys, so I can't brag. I can just say I gave the short here. That's all I can say. The Discord knew. However, down we go. Down we go. Congratulations to those who still took the short, though. You guys are the real ones. It's the only 9%. Yeah, I exited. Sorry, guys. You watched the Hockey World Cup? Yeah, I mean, it's not. The Hockey World Cup ain't, it's not really. You don't have the best players there. That's how I look at it. I mean, you get to watch some good hockey, though. Some, like, non-contact, very nice. It's really nice to see. Finland won, right? Finland won. I mean, Barba, Florida guy. I don't like him because he beats the Leafs every year. But it's nice to see the win for them. I mean, whenever the U.S. doesn't get to brag about hockey, I'm happy. Good pushback here. Sweep of the lows. So coming for this area in here, have it marked out. Order block retest continuation down. 1 minute time frame here. A little overextended to the downside. That was my alert for my pink box. So we've hit my alert for my pink box. Still looking kind of in here. Yeah. She's nasty, man. She's breaking down. Tell your friends to buy some Bitcoin today. I told my accountant that Bitcoin could go to 50,000 and his face said it all. It was I was like, yeah, probably 50,000. Sorry, bro. I love you, Steven. Hopefully you're doing well, man. Happy Monday. Sorry to get you all puckered on a Friday. Oh man. And his Arsenal, his Gunners lost. He's a football fan, and his Gunners lost to. You guys see what's going on in France, man? They just blown up their own country, man. I don't get it. I thought they were more, civilized. The whole entire team is awesome. Yeah. What's going on? Good morning. Paris has fallen. Yeah. Good afternoon, Mob. Good to see you, Geronimo. Good morning, Josh. How you doing, man? Bog. It's France. They do that every year, yeah. Breaking down now. I realized that I always have up like the side menu here, and I should have probably full screen charts like this. Do you guys prefer full screen charts rather than having I like the chat. I can have the chat up, but it doesn't mean I have to have the chat up and my object tree. Maybe you guys like full screen charts a little bit more. So you don't have to just like look at my ugly ass face, right? So you can just like enjoy what's going on the charts. NASDAQ. Yeah. You guys are probably used to this, but this would be better, no? I like to flip on and off the things that I use though. That's the issue. I can this is my navigation chart, so I need this one on. This one. I can turn these ones off, yeah. It took me 4 years to realize this, guys, you see? 4 years. Look at that. You got a whole new world in here, guys. Full screen is nice, yeah? Good. Gunners still won the league, yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Orange line is downtrend, yes. Yes, orange line is downtrend. Yeah, momentum to the downside here. Looking for retest back in here. Breaking down, front running our golden pocket. Just going in for a little sniff. We'll see where it gets to. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 220 people here. What's going on, guys? Here for the dump, man. Only 40 likes. I'm going to go.
On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual breaking.
One day we're just gonna do that. I think that's how like I'll finish ever. Like I'll just like I'll have 3 mil in the bank, earning 5%, and everybody will receive like a canceled message on their Discord and a full refund, and I'll just disappear one day, and you guys can all thank you. And guys, I'll thank you all. But that's how I plan on it. Okay, that's the exit plan. Okay. 3 mil. Couple properties, 3 mil in the bank, earning 5% on safe. 150K a year. Maybe 10 Bitcoin. Nice acreage. And then I just poof. Just like poof. Right? That's how you got to do it. It's got to be done like that, right? $3 million in the bank won't get you anywhere, bro. No, earning 5%, like that's like the safety cushion, right? That's the reoccurring income. Obviously, more assets. Stream rage quit long time. Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Where do you get 5%? Yeah, US bonds right now, almost 5%. 30-year bonds? What was it, the 30 or the 10? I don't know. I don't check. I almost got 5%. I got 4 point. Oh, where are we? I'm not going to go searching for it. US IOUs. Rejection here, continuation down. NASDAQ retested previous lows. No trades yet, guys. 30 is over 5. Yeah, there you go. I got like 4.9 or something. I bought some. Why not? Do banks in Canada pay 5? No, they don't. They pay 2. I have high interest savings account right now in my checking. Well, simple. I think it's 2.2. Yeah. I mean, you just buy US bonds though. Right now, it's the time to buy them. It's peak season for that. That's why there's a big problem, right? Like stock market, you think all these people made all this money. Stock market's up here. Now they can take all that profit. Think about this, guys. They take all that profit that they've made from the run up on the S&P 500 and they throw it in and they get a guaranteed 5%. Ain't no big institutions putting any money into the stock market if they can get a nice 5% on all their returns. Think about it, right? So there's going to be a rotation out. If they're that high, they're going to buy US debt and they're going to get a guaranteed 5% on their dollar, right? That's just how it works. Are you going to risk it for the biscuit and buy the S&P at all-time highs, or are you going to buy S&P up here, right? Does this look like a good place to buy, guys? Does this look like a knowledgeable, or would you think you're going to get another 5% on the S&P? Maybe. I would like to think you get a 10% correction to retest these highs though. This is where I would want to buy the S&P right here. Okay? So think about it. You've made whatever 20% on the way up on the S&P. All right, you look at other things. It's absolutely ridiculous, right? Like look at Micron, right? Like since that May, what was it? Not May, October, wasn't it? October, March, April capitulation, right? April. 10,000%. Even here. 1,000%. 14x. Ain't nobody caring about your, right? Nobody cares about your stock market now. It's just rotation into safe assets. They've made their money for the year. They're going to earn 20% on all their investments and then park it. They got to park it somewhere. It ain't crypto. We know that. We know it ain't crypto. Oh, man. Got to risk it for the biscuit. We ain't playing soggy biscuit. These guys don't play soggy biscuit. They're not in college anymore. I'm kidding. That's disgusting. Hype is killing it lately. Yeah, Near's doing good. Hype is doing it. Rather buy precious metals. I hear you. Alex is going to appropriate. Like every ball. You know why Harry Potter did so well is because she picked a name that British people can't say properly. They don't say the H and they don't say the P. or the H, sorry. Airy Otter. It's Airy Otter. Everybody knows that. And yeah, Cardano is life, man. I did some TA on Cardano for the gang on the weekend. Fuck. Oh, it's below FTX crash. Ew. Shit happens. Oh my God, Solana V-shaped recovery. Solana V-shaped recovery right back up. I'm telling you, man. Don't you front run my pink box like that. Don't you dare. NASDAQ pushing back, coming into resistance now. Solana into resistance. ES needs to come lower. Oil still below 92. Bitcoin trying to push back. Waiting. No trade right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here and smashing those like buttons. We got 270 people here. And only 70 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind, it's Monday. And I would appreciate some beautiful likeage. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you. Bitcoin rolling over here this morning. Can we get a little bit of a recovery? Solana says so. Solana, back up at 1%. Recovery. Solana is down 2% for the day, though. Same with Bitcoin. Ethereum, not as bad. Ethereum looks to be holding its lows a little bit better here. Sweeping the lows and bouncing on Ethereum. Oof. Yeah, ETH needs to come to 18. 18, back in my day, 1921. I think that's Piper's birthday, right? I'm kidding, bro. Oh, I'm kidding, man. It's too easy. You gotta give Piper the gears. You only make fun of people you like. That's the truth, okay? In my world. Okay, Bitcoin trying to go here. See if it can push back. No trades right now. Still waiting, guys. Happy Monday, everybody. Thank you for being here. Account 46,400. I lost, what was it? $3,500. I'm down $3,500 from last week. Made 20 grand one week. Lost $3,500 the next week. That's trading, baby. Good battle back. We were down at what, 8,000 at one point. I pulled my back yesterday. That's a great sign. No golf for me. It hurts to sit. So we'll see how long I last today. Taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Bitcoin rolling over, looking to come into this pink box. Literally coming into a pink box. Short given in advance in the Discord. I closed it because I'm a namby-pamby. Okay, I didn't have patience to wait for this damn thing. However, short was given in advance. I got out. There it is. There's a short given in advance. We have a double break. There's a short given in advance in the Discord, hitting all of our targets, and closed trade at break even. AlexOCrypto. What a pussy. Anyways, it was the weekend. I wasn't looking to hold it all weekend. I don't want to be distracted a lot of the time from family stuff, so I refrain. And down we went. So here we are. Can we bounce? Some people held it, though. Good job. I mean, I ain't your dad's never financial advice. You do whatever the hell you want. I'm only here as a hobbit, clicking buttons in Canada with my very scary polar bear in the backyard with my ledger. And if you do want to come and visit, you're more than welcome. Like Army Piper says, what are my pronouns? FAFO, right? Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys, and my pronouns are Lord Otter and King Beaver. I expect you to address me like that, your otterness. Even my Claude AI bot addresses me as Lord Otter. Okay, look, I click on Claude. Look. Hey there, Lord Otter. See? Claude knows. Claude knows. Okay. Don't get it twisted. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. Miss Teen Crypto in the chat. What's going on? What's going on? Taka, good to see you. Good morning. Good morning, son of the king. How you doing? Good to see you. Hopefully you're feeling better, Rich. Wemba, King Froggle, Near's pumping. Yeah. Cardano's crushing it. Thank you for being here, Bogo. God bless you. Midol is period pain, no? Midol works really well for back pain. What? Oh, man. Are we popping off and ready for 1 million Bitcoin? Randy, the trend is down. But yeah, I'm ready. I mean, pump my bags. I would like 1 million Bitcoin, but I don't think it's really realistic until probably late 2026, early mid 2027. That's my thoughts. We will see. We will see. Right now, just trying to accumulate as much dollars trading, right? That's the gift of trading. You can go up and down and all around Funky Town, right? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's go through some top-down analysis. Bitcoin rolling over here, coming down, looking ugly, okay? Ugly as can be. Where it stops, nobody knows. Consolidating at the lows right now, looking for continuation down. Short, given in advance in the Discord. You can join the Discord. $20 off the first month going on for the summer here. Use the code VANILLA. You can get your discount. If not, whatever. Don't join. Best Discord in all of crypto. Okay. Clearly breaking down, right? Clearly no sign of letting up here. Bitcoin needs to come down and hold. First level for me looking to bounce is the golden pocket here. Okay, golden pocket. Just tickling it. Not really into it, but tickling it, and tickle party here. Do we get acceptance back into this lower range? That's the scary part here, guys. If we get acceptance below 71,200, big problems. Okay, this is big problem energy right here. We'll make it lime green so you can't miss it. Needs to hold. Okay, our head and shoulders has broken down. Knees and toes. Downtrending. No sign of strength yet. What do we need to see? We need to see reversal structure. Okay, we do not see any of that here. We can see everything has just consolidated and broken down. Consolidated, broken down. I'm not a flag guy, but this is obvious. Okay, so short given in advance from the highs. Okay, beautiful short coming down here, 2.5%, slowly breaking down here. Do we capitulate and do we get acceptance back into here? If we get acceptance back into here, it's a whole new world. Okay, we're going to be watching Disney movies, right? Aladdin, whole new world kind of deal, right? So I would look for rotation to the lows of the range. However, we're not there yet, so don't worry. We're not there yet. Can it happen? Absolutely, though, right? I expect a low to be put in the mid to late June. Mid to late June is typically when we get a low. Where it comes in, I don't know. Okay, we're trying to put it in within the next, within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Happy June, by the way. Happy, beautiful June. It's going to be an incredible, stressful month for me. I am taking possession of my first ever family home. Big, exciting times for AlexOCrypto. Wild. Very grateful. And you guys are a big part of that, so thank you. Thank you for being part of the family and part of my life story and supporting the channel and all that gay shit. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. That doesn't go without saying. You guys know that. So thank you. I do appreciate it. But it's going to be a long, stressful month for me, but I'm going to try to do it with a smile on my face, as usual. Okay, so clearly imbalance here. So where have we gone, right? We're breaking down here, right? We're in a channel, right? The discovery channel. We can put the channel on here if we wanted to, if that helps you. Okay, but the imbalance is here. So where's the imbalance? So we look here. Woo, baby. Sweep into here. Call me daddy, I'm long. Push into here. Woo. Looks like we're pushing up. Okay, so here are the two targets. We're currently in this one right now. Okay, so here and here, we're currently in this one right now. So do we get this? That's what I want to see. I would really want to see a mitigation of highs. Remember how we bottomed over here? This is important. Do we care how we bottom in here? No, we care about this getting in here. Okay, we want to know how to recognize downtrend into reversal, right? So go and study it, guys. I mean, this is what I always say to the family, right? Go and study it. You got time, in my opinion, okay? This is time, okay? You don't care if this thing is going back up to whatever, whee, right? You don't care really if you get long here, 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 here. As long as you catch a good chunk of this move, you are happy days and you're pretty rich, at least, right? So if this, then that. Where are we going? Where are we heading? How are we going to get there? We will see. This needs to be defended, in my opinion. We'll see if we do defend that. Looking at market cipher, I mean, we got a weekly trigger wave to the downside, guys. This is nasty. Nasty. So we want to see market cipher hold. We had an ugly weekly candle close. Okay. I'll keep that green line on there just so we all know what we're looking at. Weekly candle close. Red. Okay. Very ugly. Engulfing, hangman engulfing candle, continuation down. Wick test, perfect wick test, continuation down, okay? Nasty. Short given in advance, down we go. So trying to hold, however, big old rollover. So what do we look for? We look for some sort of strength. Where does the strength reside? Okay, 3-day, looking to roll back up. This thing, 3-day, if we draw this out, if we get a trigger wave to the upside, says, look at that, mid-June, okay? Mid-June, right? Daily. Trying to hold bullish divergence. Doesn't mean we can't push up here, but I'm looking for that higher low, right? So very, if this, then that. And, clearly rolling over this morning, trying to push back up, right? We look here, we're trying to push back up, sweeping all the liquidity. Does that mean if we push up into VWAP that we're bullish? Yeah, it's a potential. There's potential, right? We break the high here. We get going, higher low, continuation up. We can take advantage of that. Doesn't mean we can't make money. It's just, we should be aware of what's in front of us on the way. Okay, so patience. Patience will prevail. Always does. The 12 anchor trigger wave, bullish divergence now. Oh, bull div, right? Bull div should return to where? Where it started, right back here. Right, so if we bull div and we push out, but we're in a downtrend. Remember that. So retracements are for shorting. Okay? Be aware of that as well. Okay? 8-hour money flows coming back out very aggressively. Hasn't shown signs of relief yet. The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 in for the day. So what are we looking for today? Well, a little bit of relief. Can we come back into this big rollover here? Or are we going to just come back and be range bound? Okay, so getting acceptance back within the range is great. That would be great. We can look for higher highs, higher lows. Or we can look for a rejection at the low of the range and continuation down into our pink box golden pocket 786 level. Okay, if this, then that. Typically, when I see a rollover starting the week off, I'm typically looking for a bottom to be established so that we can potentially get going. Right? But we don't want to fade the downtrend. We want to participate. We want to jump into our big-ass pool noodle, lazy river, sitting here with our margaritas, with our hands behind our head, right? Sitting here with our wang out. Right, in a good old schlong, taking our lazy river trade all the way down, right? That's typically what we want. So if this, then that. That's why we're looking for shorts this weekend. I'm just a wimp, and I closed mine. Okay, Django is the real, real hero. So anchor wave, anchor wave, anchor wave, wanker waves putting themselves down here, right? So with an anchor wave, you're typically looking for an anchor trigger wave. It takes time, higher low. That's where you're looking to get long. Off confirmation, reclaim of the range. Can we get it? Doesn't mean we can't scalp and long and short in between here. It just means that we should be aware of that. And if met with resistance, we look to short and leave a runner. That's where we look to make lots of money. Okay, so patience with that. We'll see where we get to. The hourly here is not, stochastic's finally flipping green, but you can see any sort of relief is met with a rejection here, and the anchor wave continues down, overextended to the downside. So there's the potential for a pushback here. However, I'd be waiting for confirmation. Where does confirmation reside? 30-minute, 12-minute. Yeah, you need to break this high. Really, you need to break this high. That would be where you're looking to go. If this, then that. Okay, patience here. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being here and smashing that like button. 316 people on the live stream, hanging out with me, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Thank you. You guys are cool, man. So let's see what we get today. Big rollover this morning. Night crew is Punkcast. Let's go. Dusty, I hope your baseball team's doing okay, man. Hope your back heals up. Yeah, I don't know what I did. I think, I picked up my son and twisted or something stupid like that. I'm getting old, man. My wife says, you're not old, and I feel old sometimes, but I couldn't really wipe my butt yesterday. That's how lower right back, I managed to do it today. Don't worry, guys. We ain't going commando on the live stream. You close on your 2 acres tomorrow. Piper's building a bunker. All right. MRPG. Konnichiwa. OG, what's going on, Brillo? Good to see you. Me too, brother. Oh, man. Have a great day, Randy. God bless you, Alexander G. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. No trades yet. We do a $5,000 giveaway here every week. If you do want to sign up, you can use the Bitunix link pinned in the comments. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. I do appreciate you guys' support. And hopefully we can give you more money every day. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you for supporting the channel. You can join the Discord as well if you would like. The best Discord in all of crypto. We have a $20 off your first month if you want to try it out for the summer. Use the code VANILLA. That's available for you guys as well. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Okay. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. Join the best Discord in all of crypto, man. 150 videos, 8 traders, live streams, live scalping. Lots of goodies, man. We did really well on Friday. We did 2 hours scalping session. We caught a lot of trades on that scalping session. I think we caught 2 or 3. I can't remember, but we caught the big move. I remember that. Great trade, everybody, and we continue to show up, kick ass, all that good stuff, man. It's been truly an honor and a privilege to hang out with you. This is never financial advice, though. I ain't your dad. You're in charge of your own money and your own, I mean, I'm the guy who's talking about his back and not being able to wipe his ass. You really gonna take, we're just here to hang out and hopefully help you guys navigate these charts a little bit better every single day. The one thing I think I do, I just said do a good job of is I think I protect the new trader very well. It's important to me to help you preserve your capital, if anything, not take trades. Be patient. Wait. Oh, hanging man engulfing candle short. It looks tempting, guys. It looks tempting. Oh, man. I don't know how long I'm going to last today. This is brutal. Ugh. Have a kid, they said. How am I going to golf? How am I going to golf? I'm just worried about golfing. Is that... Oh, man. Just worried about golfing. That's hilarious. I can't do it. Solana, trying to hold here. Ew. Down we go. This is nasty. Buy Bitcoin. See you later. Nasdaq. I mean, good relief here. Bullish divergence on Nasdaq. Higher low on Biddy. Higher low on Biddy. This is lower. I think we're going lower. We need to do some ASMR. I really need coffee right now, but I don't want to miss the golden pocket. So, coffee can wait. Can I long? Not yet, man. Not yet. We're back, twinsies. I just F mine in a rope swing. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know what I did. I honestly played a full-blown round of golf on last Thursday. No problems. And then yesterday I did something, and yeah, I could not stand. I couldn't stand or sit. I was lying on the hard floor, stretching. I think I picked up the little man. Two sideways, man. You got some muscle balm? I use Tiger Balm sometimes. I'm not that gay yet, though. When I was a kid, I once used Tiger Balm on a back pain, and then I touched my willy. That was an experience. Not something I highly suggest. So no PTSD from the muscle bombs, guys. Little PTSD. Ice it. I might ice it. Yeah. You're not gonna golf. You're gonna go take ibuprofen and anti-inflammatory and slow stretches. Nah, man. I'm gonna take some Tylenol and I'm gonna go and golf, and that will be my stretches. I got the stick-on patches. Yeah, I got some of those. Shock it with 220. Yeah, I don't know. Might mess up my trading there. Yeah, those patches do all right. I'm skeptical here. Okay, retest back in here, looking for potential wick test continuation down here. I'm not trying to get short here. Not just yet. Solana caught a good bid here. Same with the Nasdaq. Higher low, retest, holding the range. Bitcoin might need to push here a little bit, right? Like trapping shorts all morning. Whee! And then we get a little woo, 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 and then boom, market open. We'll see. Good morning, beautiful. I know it's coffee break time. If my alert goes off, though, I'm running, okay? I'm coming. Let me put on some music for the gang. I'm going to go and get some. My wife needs my help. 1 second, guys. I got to go and perform with a bad back. I'm coming. Oh. Coffee long. Thank you. That's how the money is made. No music? Oh, sorry. I messed that one up, eh? Were you guys singing it for me? Sorry. Did you do a sing-along? You guys are funny, man. Gang. I was a douche canoe, eh? I'm sorry, Rudy. I got you now. Lower. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, Rudy. Good to see you, bro. Good morning. Time. Gang, gang, gang. What is with this autocorrect, like, Chinese thingy symbol here? What is this shit? Does it assume that I'm, like, identify as Chaoling? Asian? What is this thing? You see it? It's trying to translate. What's going on, big boar? Gang, gang. Oil falling. Man, this guy's gonna tweet this morning, isn't he? Isn't he gonna tweet? Come on, he's gonna tweet this morning, no? Put a 1 in the chat if he's gonna tweet. Put a 2 if he's gonna. See, it doesn't even do the some dumb guy. It doesn't even translate that one way. I need this mullet to happen fast. I'm growing it, man. I told you guys, I'm committed to the mullet. If you guys aren't aware, this is who you're trading against. I'm committed to it. I ain't got no mullet growing right now. I'm committed to it. First we got to do Asia though. I am committed to it though. I will show up one day with it in a bun. That's when I'll earn your subscription. Right? Remember who you're trading against. All right? This is who you're trading against. Let's go. Bald on the top. You want me to go skull it? I can't do skull it, man. Like my what? Hide your wife's. Yeah, hide your wife, man. I'm coming for her. Hide your wife. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? Bro, do you even trade? This is who you're trading against. Look at the locks, man. Look at this. Look at the locks. I might even grow the beard with it. Hey, what do you guys think? AI made it look like I have face pubes, though. I definitely have a thicker beard than this, man. It's like straight up, like, I've seen more hair on a piece of bacon. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. ES a little bit of relief. Coming into order block retest continuation down. I have a feeling he's going to tweet. Oh, so joined your Discord. Now I have like 20 fake accounts. Yeah, I won't private message you. I ain't got time for that, man. So just ignore them. I'm sorry. There's lots of people trying to be AlexOCrypto. I still have the first scammer. My first scammer where I felt like I made it when it was like 4 years ago. My first AlexOCrypto scammer. I still got him. I thank him every day. No, every 3 or 4 months I'll pull him up and I'll say, "Hey bro, thanks for making me feel good." I kept my first scammer, you know. I tried to get him to send me his seed phrase. Big country Alex. Yeah, that's it. I'll show up with the cowboy hat and some boots. At least I'll be like 5'6". Dreadlocks would be great. Yeah, man. You seen, brother? We'll play the VWAP slap song and have some dreadlocks and just be shaking it on stream. Yeah. I don't think I could go there. Don't they use cow shit to make dreadlocks? And there is a way to restrict people who aren't your friends from sending you messages. That is a very good option as well. You should friend them and then just fuck with them. That's what I would do. Be like, "Hey man, do you want my seed phrase?" And then ask for his mom's number or something. You know? Nice recovery after the fake hangman. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, you're catching a bid here. Expectational order flow is still down, though. Right? This would be your low. This would be your high. Right? And you'd be looking to target here, right? That would be your scalp. This will be golden pocket now, right? So swing low to swing high. Once you pull fibs, you can see it all the time, right? It becomes yeah. It starts to weird you out a little bit, right? When you've been doing it. I haven't been doing it that long, but I've been using the tool forever, so you just end up knowing. This is your tell right here. This is obvious your tell. That is complete and utter weakness. Not that I wanted to jump. We could have taken the wick test of the low here. Continuation down. So it's a small squeeze though. We'll see if we do roll over here. Solana. Woo! Rejection at the key levels, right? NASDAQ showing weakness here, coming back for the lows. ES, order block tap, rejection down. So the trend is winning right now, guys. No trade right now. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, you know, all that good stuff. You guys are cool, man. I do appreciate you guys for hanging out here. Thank you for smashing those like buttons, too. We got 400 people here on the live stream. taking the trades, showing the account. We lost $4,000 last week. We were down like 8. We are down for 3,600. We were at 50,100 or something like that. So a down week, which happens. That's part of trading, guys. Can you minimize those down weeks, right? That's the hard part. So, I did 20,000 the week before that and lost 4 last week. So, balance in the force, right? I think that's a good ratio. I don't mind having 20K minus 4K. I can do that all year long. That's a happy month, man. If I had $30,000 months, whoo, baby. Tell your old self if you could have $30,000 months. That's US too. That's 40,000 for me Canadian. So you do you. Happy to be here and happy to be trading with you guys. Trading is lonely, so we hang out with you guys. I do appreciate you guys for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you guys, and thank you for supporting here and joining the Discord and all that good stuff, man. Using the Bitunix link in the description and pinned in the comments. Giveaways. We do a $2,000 giveaway for the Discord members on Tuesdays, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we do $5,000 for the community on the YouTube. So sign up with the Bitunix link, deposit, and be entered to win for that draw. All right. Falling down here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Dump it. NASDAQ, dump it, baby. Coming into market open, it's 9:06. We got 24 minutes till market opens. Whew. Bitcoin rolling over. Top-down analysis. What's the idea? Well, lower. Lower, lower, lower. Very simple. Looking to come into this area here. Defend this volume node here at 71,200. Could we bounce earlier? Absolutely. Where we stop, nobody knows. Well, maybe Dave Digital knows, but a little bit of patience here on a Monday. Thank you for being here. Dumping. Very, very, very ugly. Okay. Continuation down. Big rollover this morning, losing the support, coming down right now. So can we bounce? Solana, same deal, looking pretty nasty. A nice rebound from Solana, though. Nice bounce out of here. Not necessarily out of the woods yet. NASDAQ trying to defend these lows here. Probably needs to come right in here. Oof. Yeah. I would think it needs to come here. If we're going to drop, retested those, and down we go. Looking in here, possibly even here. We'll see. Liquidity in the low here. This does not look healthy. Lower highs. Down we go. Failing to push, right? Failing to push. NASDAQ catching a little bit here. Push back. ES. Down we go. Okay. Order block tap, continuation down for Bitcoin. Solana, retest to previous lows, continuation down as well. Waiting, no trade right now. Thank you for being here, guys, and smashing those like buttons. Alex, when you did compound the 100K to the 1K to 100K, what did the scaling up timetable look like? Yeah, so in my opinion, okay, so you're risking 1% per trade, okay? 2% if it's like a swing trade, okay? Like a big swing trade. We do very, very few of these, but we do swing trade in the Discord as well, right? But if you're taking a swing trade, like when we gave the Ondo call way back here, right? I mean, you take this swing trade with 2%, you can really help your account out, okay? But you must respect this stop loss. It's still a big girthy stop loss. It's a 6% stop loss, right? However, a 6% stop loss still got you 100% return, right? So that's that's my general rule. If you're going to put any kind of more size, that's the rule. Okay? You need to stick to that 1% risk. Now, the key I found when I was compounding is the hardest thing about compounding, guys, is when you go from 1,000 and let's say you turn that into $2,000, okay? So you're risking 10 to make 30 and you're 20 to make 60, right? The key here, in my opinion, is you do not risk 20 to make 60 in between. The hardest part is when this account goes down to, let's say, 1,800. You're used to risking 20 to make 60. Okay? You're used to it. So when you go backwards, it feels like you're making nothing. Okay? Therefore, you tend to go 20 to make 60 even when you're at whatever, 1,500, 1,700, right? 1,300. Okay? You must, especially early on, right? Especially early on, if you're below 2,000, you go right back down to 10. Okay? Let's say this is 1999, right? This is 1999. Right? You go right back down to 10 to make 30. You do not go 19 to make 30 or 54, whatever the fuck the math is. You go right back down. Anything below 2,000, you go back to risking 10 to 30. Okay? Please. The psychological warfare you will experience, look at this dump, baby, let's go, that's the hard part. Dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. NASDAQ. NASDAQ dying. Bitcoin dying. No trade. Great short, everybody. Okay, so that's the hardest part. Definitely the hardest part. Oh, don't you tell me you sniffed it and then you're bouncing. Lower. Lower. Dump it, baby. Did he tweet? Just wondering. Considering a long here. Considering a long here. NASDAQ's got to bounce. Okay, I'm long. Am I long? No, not yet. Wait. Lower. Lower. Bounce? Not yet. Got to bounce here. Nasdaq's not bouncing. ES is trying to bounce. Oh. Let's go. I feel like I have to give it a whirl here. Yeah, let's do it. All right, we're long. Push. Stop to entry. I can't tell her I'm coming over for a date. And she just show up with the pink box, and I just can't. Yeah, I gotta take her for at least a little tickle. Right? Push it, Nambe Pambe. Let's go. I had to say, hey girl, how you doing? Django would be upset with me if I didn't at least, you know, say how you doing. Come on, baby. Push. We're going to Valhalla now. We're going all the way to Valhalla. GG's in the chat. At least I had to at least tell her, you know, say, hey, you know, it's all about proportions. I know I'm short, but I promise you, you won't be upset. Nah, she'd probably still be upset, guys. Let's be real. What do you do for a living? I day trade. Oh, God. Run. Push. Push. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Can we get a GG's in the chat? GG's? GG's. Right into market open, man. Pump it up, baby. Good patience. Pump it. Wick test, continuation up. Come on, Soy Boy Lana, double bottom. It's all about that otter.
Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper.
Come on. Boosh. Let's see if it can continue, man. Hip thrust. If I did a hip thrust right now, I'd probably be in a wheelchair. Oh, man. Too funny. Well, we'll see if we get going here, guys. I don't know. Not convinced. NASDAQ still looks shite. Coming to that green line we marked out, though. ES needs to keep going here. Solana needs to push back. Needs to catch a bid here. We might have to retest it one more time. We might have to come like get like 3 drives in here. Like I said, there's much we really want to break and then the long, right? So if this doesn't go, whatever, that's fine. We've paid ourselves and we're like risk free. So of course we would love a pump. Donald, now is your chance, bro. Do the Otter gang a favor, Donald, and send it to Valhalla, man. Do the gang a favor. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if I should take some more profits. Put a 2 in the chat if I should hold it. What do you guys think? I need to know. I'm holding right now. We'll see. Up almost $200. 1 in the chat to take some profits. 2 in the chat to hold it. Lots of holding. Holding. You don't think I'm going to get stopped out? 2 for sure. You sure, man? Push it. People be shorting here. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Howdy, I'm new to the stream, by the way. Trading Bitcoin. Nice. Welcome, bro. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Making crypto honest again. Hold it. Take some profits. Hold it. Coming down. It's coming down, says Gen C. We're going down, says Crypto Rob. Ooh. Is NASDAQ still rolling over? If NASDAQ's still rolling over, yeah, I'm going to take some profits. Solana bouncing? ES rolling over. Yeah, taking profits. I'll bring this up a bit. Take half there. I want at least $200, man, to have stones like that. There we go. Now I won't be upset if we come down. You guys all picking on me. There we go. 226. Happy days. Stopped out. Thank you. Good trade. GG's. On to the next one, baby. Look at this. NASDAQ and ES both dying, guys. Both dying. Coming down. Lower. A little lower and a little slower. That's what she said. GG's, though. Happy days. Took some money. My trades aren't your trades. Protect yourself. This is never financial advice. 456 people on the live stream bringing in the dump. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I had to take a sniff. It was pink box tappage, okay? There's been times where it's just sniffed the pink box and it has gone to Valhalla. I owed it to myself to take a pink box. The only pink box in all of crypto that pays you. Don't get it twisted, guys. Not many pink boxes will pay you. But this one does. Oh. And we do have a pink box song for you guys. What a transition.
Part of the game. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is. It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down. Right into the golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah. The pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, pink box. Oh yeah. The pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Oh yeah. Let's get a pink box. Oh yeah. The pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh,
Shouts out to Dave Digital.
oh yeah. The pink box. Watch that candle. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital.
Least favorite song of the set.
The pink box. Oh yeah. Watch that pays you, pays you.
It's moments like these coming into market open.
The pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take
All right, gang, feast your eyes on this. Dig in.
Let's go, baby. All right, so coming into market open, guys, pink box, slap. NASDAQ rolling over quite hard here, coming down to the liquidity of the lows here of the range. Okay, liquidity of the range lows. Can it hold? We'll see. ES dropping like it's hot, guys. Starting today off with a dump-a-palooza. Trying to hold on. Can it do so? We'll see how the market opens up this morning. S&P expecting a gap down. Okay, happy days in our rejection zone on the S&P. Coming down here to the pink box on the Bitcoin price action. One trade today up $230. Taking the trade, showing the trades, making crypto something again. We're here for it. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. Another day, another penny. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. Okay, we'll see where we get to today. Thank you for liking the stream, supporting the channel. We got 450 people here touching pink boxes. See if we can bounce out of here. Solana trying to find lows. NASDAQ, Geronimo, look out below. 3 minutes till market opens. Oil catching a bid this morning. Rolling over, catching a big bid here. Bearish for the market. Did he tweet? Who knows? Okay, did something happen in Hormuzzi? Who knows? Just prepared, waiting. We'll see what we get here. Coming back here for the longs. We'll see if it wants to bounce up here and hold this pink box. I'm okay taking this trade later on in the day. Like I said, if we break the high here and we get some higher highs, higher lows, and some structure, then cool, man. That's a lot more appealing in my opinion. So we'll see what we get to. Quick little scalp this morning. Patience. Patience will prevail. We'll see if it does want to continue. Smashing likes, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thank you for being here, guys. We'll see where we get to. Okay. I might have to dip out early today. My back is fucked. I'm going to have to buy a, what is that? Wanking and Miller chair? Herman Miller? Miller Wank? I got a decent chair, but I mean those, how much are those Herman Miller chairs? They're like 5 racks, no? Refurbished. We can get one refurbished. Does it like hold your bollocks too at the same time? $1,500. What? Damn. These ones are on sale. Damn. I need a hot tub. Yeah, no kidding. Herman Millers are cheaper than a new bag. That's true. What are your thoughts on hype? Up. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go, baby. All right, gap down as expected. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Let's see where we go. Market is open. NASDAQ dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Down we go into our pink box. Can it hold? We will see. Solana rotation down. NASDAQ rotation down. SPY. A lot of the same, guys. Not looking too hot this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out on the live stream. We'll see where we get to. Sweeping the lows. Needs to come lower, in my opinion. Looking for 71,212 in the place to be. We'll see if we can find support here or if we're going to blast right through. Rolling over this morning pretty aggressively. One trade, one long. Continuation down here. SPY, yep. NASDAQ, yep. Okay, not looking too hot here. Solana down, Bitcoin down. Okay. Congratulations on your shorts. GG's to all the shorts in the chat. Great job, everybody. Happy Monday. Okay, Monday fun day. Let's see if we start this with a Monday, weekly low. Maybe we get a weekly low on a Monday, which would be more than welcomed. A little bid back up here for the S&P, trying to push. Going down to the 1 minute on the S&P. Can it push back here? NASDAQ pushing back, finding a low. Bitcoin hovering around the bottom here, trying to push back as well. No sign of strength just yet. We got bullish divergence down here on the short-term time frames. We got overextension on the 12-minute, the 24-minute. Trying to push back here. We'll see if we do get it here on the market cipher. No longs right now, just waiting. We'll see what we get. Big pushback here on the SPY coming back. I would like to see this gap left here. However, rejection here. Rejection, rejection. Continuation down. A little bit of a stiletto pattern here. Not ideal here. We would like to see this take longer with this snapback here. So a little bit of patience right now. See what we get into a support level here on Bitcoin. Can it hold? Solana trying to hold. Can Solana hold? We shall see. Bitcoin trying to hold. Big bid coming in. SPY holding. Pushback. SPY. Pushback. NASDAQ. Strength in the move. Coming back in. Looking strong here. Can it keep going? Can it keep going, or do we have to do one more sweep? Bitcoin holding. Trying to push. I like it here. I like the SPY bounce. I like the NASDAQ bounce. Both looking strong here. Can this lead the way? Bitcoin pushing back here. Bitcoin pushing back. Looking good here. Solana pushing back. Looking good as well. Got a very nice wick down. Trying to push into that downtrending momentum. Can it hold and go? NASDAQ holding and going. Wrong time frame. NASDAQ here. Pushing back, looking strong. SPY coming back. We do not want to see the gap filled because then that gives permission for us to continue downwards here on the SPY. However, we're getting a very aggressive push here on the SPY. Bitcoin pushing out. Trying to hold. Solana looking okay. Trying to break this high. NASDAQ looking strong. Retesting lows currently. Retesting lows. Bitcoin. Downtrending momentum holding us down here. Okay. Interesting here. Ooh, that's kind of cheeky. Might need to come up one more time. Might need to come up one more time here for SPY. However, filling the gap and rotation down is always bearish in my opinion. Watching that. Retest back in here. Order block tap. Retest of general area here. This would be like, no, what would we call this? 12-minute order block? Yeah. I mean, we're splitting hairs here, so we don't want to generalize here. Nice pushback here for Biddy. Continuation up. NASDAQ. Bottoming structure. Coming down for those lows. SPY still looks weak here. SPY... yeah, it's kind of cheeky here when we fill the gap. Can we come back in here for Bitcoin? Halfway down the candle, continuation up, trying to push into a macro bottoming area. So this could push up. Patience here. NASDAQ coming back down. SPY, same story. Patience here. Solana, same deal. Still waiting. Thank you guys for being on the live stream here. NASDAQ trying to hold this high, trying to push back. Same with the SPY, holding the consolidation here. Bitcoin still trying to push. I think Bitcoin can come lower. Solana can come lower as well. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY pushing back. Strength in the move. Trying to break out here. Trying to get going. I mean, we could take like a cheeky long here if we wanted to, like quarter position size, something like this, but I'm not really down for that. I'd rather for like higher high, higher low. Pushing here. SPY pushing here as well. SPY's got some legs here. Same with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ and SPY has legs. Bitcoin pushing out here. Good candle close above the momentum here. That's first sign of strength. NASDAQ SPY looking good. Gap filled. Permission to go down. Permission to go down for the SPY. NASDAQ as well. Continuing to climb here. No trade. Solana consolidation. Solana outperforming Bitcoin? No. Pretty even Steven. Bitcoin rejection. Coming back down. Higher low. Continuation up. Trying to push. Retest to previous lows. Into rejection here. Bitcoin coming down. Sweeping down here. Wick test potential here. Tesla alert going off. Holding. Trying to hold here for Solana as well. Still looking weak. NASDAQ. Retest of lows. SPY's looking okay. Nice bounce back here. Bitcoin trying to hold. Retest of high here. Potential push here. Can it push here? SPY's climbing. NASDAQ climbing. Bitcoin trying to hold. Solana trying to hold. Retest to previous high. Continuation up here. I like a long here. I'm not taking it. No long here, but I do like a long here. I'm just putting on a Fugazi trade here. I want to see how it plays. I like a long here. It's Monday, so I'm not taking it. I'm up already. 250 to start the day. I do like a long here if this can follow through. It's a retest of previous highs, continuation up trade. I'm not taking it. I'll probably regret it, but that's okay. So like on a 1 minute, this is a high here. So we got a 1 minute high, right, of the low. Continuation up. So your retest continuation up. NASDAQ following through. SPY following through. Solana retested the high. Same deal. High retest. Continuation up. Just one candle short, right? This would be a wick test on a Solana right here. Still waiting. I'm going to take that off just so you guys don't get confused that you think I'm in a trade. Trying to push here. SPY and NASDAQ recovering. Nice little bollocks here. Diamond nuts trying to push back. Consolidation, continuation down. Trend is still down, so trying to get above this momentum. I'm getting rid of that too. Still waiting. Oil's flying, guys. Did he tweet this morning, guys? Do you know? Any news? I mean, oil's absolutely ripping this morning. We got ISM manufacturing at 10 o'clock as well, guys. Okay, so economic calendar, 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing coming in. Jolts, Tuesday. Wednesday, ISM. Okay, so we got employment data coming out this week. So be prepared. Okay, be prepared as much as possible. Volatile week. Volatile week. We'll see how much jobs the AI is taking. Layoffs, recession worries. Canada's in a recession, so. I mean, Canada's Canada. We'll just leave it at that, right? Good patience here, guys. Happy with that no trade. Got to be happy with your no trade as well. I mean, I could have squeezed that for a little bit of coin, but rotation down. Rotation down. Lower, she says. There we go. Let's go. Rip it off. Rip off that Band-Aid, baby. Another sweep here for Bitcoin. Got to close back within the range. Lower. Lower. Solana. Lower. Pink box. Down we go, baby. Trying to find some support here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Trying to hold here. Nice bounce on Bitcoin. Coming back for late longs. Considering a long here. No trade. Still waiting. Still waiting, guys. No trade. Closing back within the range. Trying to hold here. It's not violent enough. Need more violence. Need more violence. More violence. Come on. Dump it, baby. No? Is that enough for you, Biddy? More violence. Come on. Lower. Oh, we got a bounce on SPY and NASDAQ. Still no trade. Damn, that was aggressive. Lower. Lower. Trying to hold. SPY pushing back. NASDAQ pushing back. Solana trying to hold the lows as well. I still think lower. Congrats on your shorts, guys. GG's, baby. GG's. 450 people in here. Crushing it. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Good job, everybody. Love seeing you guys win. You guys know that. NASDAQ and SPY looks good here, guys. Bitcoin, no. Bitcoin does not look good. It looks non très bon. Très bon? Non très bon. A pink box. It's clouding my judgment here. Orb is in, baby. Ray Orb is in. A failed orb breakdown. Oh my God. Give me the failed orb breakdown. Give me this, baby. Today. Give me this today, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. GG's on the shorts, guys. GG's. GG's. 2 on red. Let's go. U.S. military. Iranian ballistic. Oh, great. Welcome to the jungle. They got fun and games. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. I need to see violence. Give me violence. Give me a whamaдаmadam. Give it the Ramadan. I mean, I'm not going to bottom blast the lows, but shorts are getting paid, baby. NASDAQ trying to climb here. Same with the SPY. Little pushback. What a wonderful, wonderful day for... You think ISM manufacturing is going to pump up these charts or what, Piper? What do you think? All I know is my back is not bullish. I need a hot bath and some, whatever. Indecision. Oil's flying, guys. Bearish. Holding. Pushback. NASDAQ climbing. SPY's climbing. Solana trying to hold the lows. Down we go. What do you think, Piper? Are we going to hold? ISM? Iran's backing out. Iran news, war continues, looks like. 4 people need to hit the like button. Yeah, if we don't have, we only have 197 likes, man, and 470 people here. Our goal is to get to 200 every day. And that's, you guys, you just got to give it a little bean flick. I'd appreciate it. Hot bath and Epsom salts. I mean, it might be gay. I'm just saying. Not saying it doesn't work. It just might be gay. I'm going to get a bubble bath. Bubble bath going on here, guys. This is who you're trading against. Don't forget the bubble bath. See that guy could have a bubble bath. Why didn't I hold the short given in advance in the Discord, guys? Why didn't I hold this thing? We would have been pre-rich. We wouldn't have had to trade all week. I know you guys shorted it. You guys ignored my stupidity of saying close it. I know you guys all shorted my setup this weekend. Yeah. Great weekend. Grass and ass, baby. Let's go. Great job, everybody. Great job. If you do want to join the Discord, $20 off your first month going on right now. Use code VANILLA. Alexander G posted that. Also, Bitunix. Link pinned in the comments. If you want to sign up with that and trade, we do giveaways. $5,000 of giveaways every week. 15, 2,000 on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And 2,000 to the Discord on Tuesdays. So an awesome, awesome deal. VIP 3, you name it. I sacrificed my left nut for you guys to have that deal. So hopefully you guys support the channel. Sign up with the Bitunix link. If not, that's cool too, man. Just say good morning. The only requirement here is a good morning. Don't be a weirdo. Say good morning. Hang out. Smash buttons. Trading is waiting, baby. No trade right now. One trade this morning, little scalp long. Stopped out in profit. Up $250. And see if it wants to follow through here. NASDAQ continues to consolidate and climb. Coming into ISM in 10 minutes. Patience here, guys. We're getting data. Okay, data coming out in manufacturing. All right, I'm expecting this to go up. I think this is going to go up. I'm going to be bullish. But we'll see. Volatility on its way in less than 9 minutes. So exciting times to be in the charts. And if you're here, you're building in the bear, man. So congrats to you. You're actually like investing in your future. It's not easy mode right now. Understand that. Easy mode was a year ago. It's not easy mode anymore. So if you're learning in the bear market, that's where I learned. I learned 4 years ago in the bear market. Terra Luna collapse was my first trading experience. Welcome to the jungle, baby. But I learned how to trade in the bear market, which then in time made me very, very prepared for a nice bull run where I made a plethora of money. And you can too. Apply yourself now, manage your risk, take high probability trade setups over and over again with good risk management. You might be one of the few who succeed at this. It's not easy, but you can do it. My trades aren't your trades, though. My goals aren't your goals. You do what you need to do to get to where you need to get to. I'm just grateful you're here. Trading is lonely, and I appreciate your support and hanging out here on a daily basis. We'll see where we get to, guys. In the pink box here, trying to hold. Can it hold? We'll see. NASDAQ sweeping down. I think we need more violence here. This is too easy. I think lower. So no trade right now, waiting. We appreciate your testicle sacrifice. I mean, I got to keep the right one until I have another kid. And then, then I don't mind. Check myself before I wreck myself. Click, click, boom. Yeah, that's it, man. The lucky draw is not populating. I'll have it for you. It doesn't. I don't think it's activated yet. VIP is awesome. Thank you. You're welcome. Hell yeah. God bless you, man. Baldski says, "Put me in a timeout, please." No problem. If you just say the magical letters, man. There's 3 letters that will get you a timeout guaranteed. CME. And how long would you like, sir? You just tell me. Let the gay heal you. It is healing me. Alex, so I will post an affirmation in the chat at the end of the stream. Say it 6 times and you're brand new within a day. Affirmation power. I use affirmations, yeah. I am unstoppable. What's going on, Shem? Good to see you. I identify as profitable as my main affirmation. Good morning, Danny. Good to see you, man. Good morning, Jitu. Good to see you, man. R Pink. D and down. Oh, here you go. Here you go. We'll start off small with the 1 minute timeout, G1. CM later. We'll do another one. Okay, we're going 1 minute. Next one's 30 minutes. I identify as liquidity provider. Let's go. Hey, man. I require people like you. For now, Eric, hopefully you can join the dark side and be one of the liquidity takers. Oh, man, that got me good. Everything just pumped. Yeah, just hit Alt-I and you're good to go, Dusty. Alt-I and you will be bullish AF, man. Too good, man. Curtis. 10 seconds for Curtis because he's here every day. And I love you. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. NASDAQ. There we go. Rolling over. Rounded top. Expected to come for the low here, guys. This is not good for Bitcoin. Yeehaw! Here it is. Let's go, baby. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Send it to zero. Send it to zero. Solana dying. My son just went, oh, no. Oh, man. Dump it, baby. Let's go. Dump it, baby. Orb retest continuation down. Damn. They just wrecking longs, man. They're wrecking longs. You can see the liquidity it takes, and it pushes back up, and then it comes back again. It's like the yo-yo effect, right? You go boom, come back, boom, come back, boom. No trades still, guys. News in 4 minutes. 4 minutes till news. I'll give you guys another GG's for that short. Now there's violence. Not really. I've seen violence. This is mediocre violence. It is good volume. Look, the violence over here was even stronger this morning. So we do have New York can do better than that. Okay? New York can do much better than that. I've seen New York violence. This isn't New York violence. I've seen New York violence. New York violence means it comes down here. 78.50. That would be New York violence. 78.50. Oh, Solana. I'm going to have to buy some Solana today, guys. Bye, Solana. Nice to know you. Ciao. Arrivederci. Buonasera. Buonanotte. 865. This guy's really like lasting long in this pink box. I don't know. It's definitely not me, guys. I'm like too pump chump, man. This is quite an experience, guys. I am edging now. I've entered the stage of what is this? What is this? Did he just tweet? He just tweeted. Didn't he? What was that? What was that? Oh my God. What was that? Hello? Wow, that just wrecked all the shorts. That just wrecked all the shorts. Are you serious? What was that? Wow. Scam? Did you see that? Did you just see that? Did I just see that? Did I just see that correctly? Pump it? Can we get a pump? What was that? Anybody? Anybody news? What was that? Anybody news? ISM now? ISM coming in above expectations. As expected. Okay. Pink box bounce. 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 Can we get a bounce? No? Holy smokes. Scam wick. My God. What was that, guys? ISM coming in positive. NASDAQ still rolling over. SPY still rolling over. Bearish still, guys. That just like liquidated all the shorts. That's all that did. Holding orb. Potential long. Can we pump? Yeah, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. I'm long. Stop loss below the low. Nice push. Stop loss to entry. Up 500. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push. Come on, baby. Bounce, baby. Bounce, 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 bounce. What a scam wick. Let's see if we can continue. Come on, Biddy. Don't be a namby-pamby. Pump it up. I see you guys. You guys are top blasting. I can smell the top blast from you guys. Look at that face. That's a face you want to sit on. Let's go, baby. Pump it. Top blasting. Pink box.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass up my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market all it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Top wreck by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter.
Up 1,000, let it run, baby. Let's go, GG's, baby. GG's in the chat, let it run.
Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe, you gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap. Making crypto want us to jam, that's the plan. But top blasting trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's go, crypto. Talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital.
All the gang.
Gang, bye.
I'll move, Dusty, I'll move the box at 74.6, okay? Are we going to catch the low of the day, baby? That's the question. Man, I get it why you guys come to this show now. We have fun, don't we? We like waiting for the sniff of the pink box and all this stuff. Like, me and my wife were talking yesterday, and she's like, you could have so much more followers and stuff if you didn't talk so much shit. And I'm like, I know, I don't want them. I'm like, if my audience who's here can't handle some good raunchy construction humor, I really don't want to hang out with them. I don't need fucking pencil pushing Pete in the chat with his pocket protector who hasn't had a stitch of pussy in 10 years hanging out here. Sorry. Not someone I want to hang out with. Trading's lonely, but I'd rather be lonely than around a wanker. You know? That's it. Just saying. Everybody here is a real one, man. Thank you for not... If you ran away after me saying that, perfect. You've done exactly what I've intended to do. Gonna get stopped out here. Good take profit. Good scalp. Great TP. Still looking for that low to come in, guys. That's why we took some money off the table. Ooh, take it. You're gonna take it. That's what I almost went there. How much is a stitch? I don't know, Dave. You tell me, man. Take it. There's a nice $1,000 anyways, man. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. All right. Stopped out. $1,000. On to the next one. What a crazy wick up, man. That was so wild. Continuation down here, guys. Damn, Daniel. This is pretty aggressive here. Trying to hold, trying to bounce. Trying to hold, trying to bounce. Story of our lives. We'll see where we get to today. Trying to see if that low does establish. Looking for the long, but still waiting here. Still waiting here. If you're a pencil pusher and you got some P last night, then you crushing it. Amen to that. Amen. Oh man. Removes pocket protector, puts on his roller skates. Wrench toaster, man. That's why I've been here for almost 2 years, bro. Thank you, Jake. I appreciate you, bro. God bless you. Bye-bye, wankas. Yeah, that's it. Unreal stream, guys. Unreal stream. I think, so the idea right now, we need to see an established low. Like your safe bet here is waiting for a structure change, right? So, I mean, we can try to scalp long here, right? You can look for continuation down, but you're looking for a real structure change, right? Invalidation. All this wick did was sweep the high here. So you're looking for a break above here, then a higher low and continuation out. That's very much how I would trade it and how I will look to trade it for the rest of the day. We have an orb hold, right? Failed orb breakdown is typically bullish. Looking to push up here. Can it continue, right? Reclaim of orb, right? Getting above the orb. Holding orb. Continuation up. Potential. Okay, so make sure you're patient. Pay yourselves, right? But this thing can continue downwards here, okay? So still waiting for bottoming structure to establish in this zone, right? Watch the NASDAQ. NASDAQ trying to hold here. SPY trying to hold here. Higher low. Continuation up. Can this push back? We'll see. I'm going to send you over to Army Piper. Maybe he has some insights on some good stuff, man. For me right now, I'm going to jump into updating the Discord. I'm up like, what, 1,400 already to start the day? Happy Mondays, baby. Let's keep it going. Trade safe. Much love. I do appreciate you guys being here. I'm going to go and do some back exercises. Have a wonderful day, everybody. God bless you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio.